What's up, good people? All right, so I'm gonna start off by saying I apologize. I'm not in the Challenger. Yes, I'm gonna shoot a lot more videos in the Challenger. The reason why I'm in the Toaster today is because it's been raining, I think, in all of California right now. I think Southern California may have like mudslides or something right now. So it's a lot of rain going on, and this is gonna sound crazy. You're gonna laugh at me, but I got this crazy idea of like, what if I could own this car and rain never touches the car, like it never has rain on it. That's why I'm not driving it today. We're headed to the shop because we got a box, and I think it's a really cool box. So we're gonna do, I don't want to call it a how-to video because I don't know how to, but I'm gonna figure it out. So we'll call it a how-to video. Let's go. All right, just getting to the shop. Let's find Edgar. Doing a little video editing. Edgar, the video editor. The awkward porn.
Chuki beat
All right.
production.
We got a Hellcat air intake box.
Probably like that, right?
Jesus Christ, Edgar. We should pull the car into the shop and see if the top of the current box looks like it will match. It looks like it should fit. It's almost the exact same airbox. It's just that the Hellcat has this guy that connects to this guy that connects to this guy. Edgar, your mom. My prediction is that this is a pretty simple mod. Okay. Easy enough. Nothing sounds like it broke. We should go by the auto parts store and get a K&N air filter. So here's the thing. I'm actually a little pissed off at Edgar. He went and got his first oil change.
For this car.
His first oil change. And I wanted to vlog the oil change. I also wanted to just be there to make sure he got the right advice. They tried to sell him a new air filter, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. He took it, although I would have preferred if we had went and got him a K&N air filter. I can't talk. We're headed to the auto parts store to get a K&N for the Challenger, because what's the point in going through all that and still restricting the air? All right, we're at the auto parts store. Hopefully they let me record.
Hello.
Do you have a K&N air filter for Challenger? 18. Got the air filter. Back to the shop. So revelation, Edgar here doesn't like Nate Dogg. Comment in the box below. Let him know how you feel about Edgar not liking Nate Dogg. Edgar, explain yourself.
And sometimes the things he says, like, he couldn't think of something with more syllables, so he just like sings the word longer.
Couldn't find this, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and install it today. Anyway, later on, next time I'm at Home Depot, I'm gonna put a rubber or foam gasket here, because I do believe it does probably make a difference. In the meantime, let's pop this in. This right here, which is basically the entire reason for buying the Hellcat conversion. This allows us to get air from the headlight into here somehow. Not sure which one goes on first, but I'm gonna try to put it where it needs to be first, and then snap it into the box. All right, go. Can you see my hand waving?
Yes.
This may not be one of the fancy $300, $400, $500 aftermarket intakes, but what it is genuine Mopar parts, and in my opinion, takes in air just as fine. Probably doesn't sound as cool, but from a performance standpoint, it should perform probably even better. All right, I'm gonna throw the K&N filter. You might want to wear gloves when you initially take it out, because K&N air filters are typically pretty oily. So that's it, that's that. It's actually a pretty simple mod. Of course, I didn't put the little foam gasket at the bottom. I'm gonna do that at a later time. It's 3 bolts to disconnect the top, 1 bolt to disconnect the actual box itself, 2 rubber gaskets in the box, swap it out. Pretty simple. Hellcat Airbox conversion. Also, for this video, we're doing another Chemical Guys buttery wet wax giveaway for this video here. All you gotta do is be a subscriber, comment in the box below, and I will let you know on the next video who wins that. Shout out to Fulfilled Rogue for winning the Chemical Guys mystery box in not last week's video. Yeah, I guess it was last week's video. Earlier this week's video. Until then,